The farm is famous for its creamy ice cream and rich cheese, all made from fresh milk right on site. But it doesn't stop there. The region is a treasure trove of local produce. You can savor vibrant vegetables and juicy fruits either at charming local restaurants or by visiting bustling farmers' markets. Each bite tells the story of the land and its hardworking farmers. Whether you're a foodie or just looking for a unique adventure, Kiyosato Farm offers a taste of rural life that you won't want to miss. Kiyosato Plateau is a hidden gem, renowned for its breathtaking rolling hills and lush meadows. On clear days, the views of the southern Alps and even Mount Fuji are simply stunning. Summer transforms this place into a vibrant tapestry of blooming flowers, while autumn paints the landscape in rich hues of red and gold. For those who love adventure, Kiyosato offers a variety of hiking trails suitable for everyone. Whether you're wandering through serene forests, trekking along scenic ridges, or challenging yourself on the slopes of Mount Yatsugatake, each path reveals the beauty of nature in a unique way. Every step here is a chance to connect with the stunning surroundings and experience the tranquility that Kiyosato Plateau has to offer. Kiyosato Museum of Photographic Arts, or K*MOPA, is a treasure trove for photography lovers. It showcases stunning works from renowned photographers, offering a unique glimpse into the art of capturing moments. Each exhibition tells a story, inviting you to explore diverse perspectives and techniques. Just a short distance away is Seizen Rio, a historic retreat founded by Dr. Paul Rush, an American missionary whose vision transformed Kiyosato. This serene conference center blends rich history with natural beauty, making it a perfect spot for reflection and inspiration. Together, K*MOPA and Seizen Rio create a cultural haven that celebrates both art and heritage, inviting everyone to experience the magic of Kiyosato. Camping in this area is a dream come true. There are several campgrounds nestled in nature, where you can truly unwind and soak in the beauty around you. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds and the fresh scent of pine trees. And when the sun sets, the magic really begins. Kiyosato, with its high elevation and crystal clear skies, transforms into a stargazer's paradise. The stars seem so close, you can almost reach out and touch them. It's a breathtaking experience that leaves you in awe of the universe. As winter rolls in, the fun doesn't stop. Nearby areas come alive with winter sports. Whether you're skiing down powdery slopes or snowboarding with friends, there's something exhilarating about the chill in the air and the thrill of the ride. Each season here offers its own adventure, making it a perfect year-round destination. There's something truly magical about soaking in a hot spring or onsen, surrounded by nature. The mineral-rich waters are not just warm, they're a therapeutic embrace for both body and soul. Each resort offers a unique experience, from outdoor baths with breathtaking views to serene indoor pools. Kiyosato, with its lush landscapes, is a hidden gem for those craving tranquility. Picture yourself in a cozy lodge or a charming guest house, where the only sounds are the gentle rustle of leaves and the distant chirping of birds. It's the perfect escape to unwind, recharge, and reconnect with yourself. Whether you're enjoying a soothing soak or sipping tea on a peaceful terrace, Kiyosato invites you to slow down and savor the moment. Spring and summer transform this area into a vibrant tapestry of color with flower festivals that celebrate the beauty of blooming tulips, lavender, and sunflowers. Imagine strolling through fields where the air is filled with the sweet scent of blossoms, and the sun casts a warm glow on the petals. Each festival is a feast for the senses, featuring local artisans, delicious food stalls, and live music that brings the community together. As autumn arrives, the landscape shifts dramatically. The forests and hills burst into a kaleidoscope of reds, oranges, and yellows, creating a breathtaking backdrop for photography and nature walks. Every leaf seems to tell a story, inviting us to explore and appreciate the fleeting beauty of the season. Whether you're capturing the perfect shot or simply soaking in the scenery, this time of year is a reminder of nature's incredible artistry. Kiyosato is just a train ride away from Tokyo, taking about 2.5 to 3 hours to reach the serene Kiyosato station on the Kumi line. Once you arrive, you'll find a treasure trove of outdoor adventures waiting for you. Picture hiking through lush forests, exploring stunning landscapes, or even enjoying a day of skiing in winter. But it's not just about the thrills. Kiyosato also offers rich cultural experiences. You can visit local art galleries, savor delicious regional cuisine, or immerse yourself in traditional Japanese hospitality. Whether you're traveling with family, on a romantic getaway, or seeking solitude, Kiyosato is the perfect escape into nature's embrace. It truly has something for everyone.